Sa panahon ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, bumaha at bumagyo ng biyaya dito sa ikalawang distrito.
Congresswoman Jervil Luistro is becoming one of the most recognizable face in Philippine politics. Not because of legislation, but because of controversies. May nagsasabing may 8 million pesos legal fee issue daw involving the law office of Attorney Manasseh Carpio. She denies it and challenges anyone to produce the documents. May mga nagtatanong din tungkol sa flood control project sa kanyang distrito. Totoo, may mga proyekto, pero hanggang ngayon, wala pang ebidensya nagpapatunay na may personal siyang kinalaman sa anumang anomalya. Ang tanong ng publiko, fair ba namang magtanong? Siyempre. Then there was the now infamous laway moment. Viral, yes. Relevant, not really. Mas mahalagang pag-usapan ang laman ng argumento kaysa laman ng bibig. At syempre, nariyan ang kanyang pagiging isa sa pinakamalapit na kaalyado ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Walang masama sa pagiging loyal. Pero kapag ikaw ang lead prosecutor sa mga usaping may political undertones, people will naturally ask, can loyalty and impartiality comfortably sit in the same chair? Sa batas, allegations are not evidence. Ngunit sa politika, perception is often the first witness. And perhaps that's Congresswoman Jervil Luistro's biggest trial. Another day, another regal POV.